The year 2026 has brought us some of the most mind-bending tech releases in history, but nothing prepared us for what Samsung is cooking up in their secret engineering labs. If you are holding off on buying a new high-end laptop, or if you are staring at your current tablet wondering when the next true generational leap will happen, your wait is almost over. Right now, behind closed doors, a device is being built that aims to completely destroy the line between a mobile tablet and a premium desktop computer. We are talking about the upcoming flagship titan, the Samsung Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra. TechVibe has secured the most authentic, verified engineering leaks and supply chain breakthroughs regarding this upcoming monster. Trust me, if you think tablets have hit a structural ceiling, what you are about to hear regarding the display, the raw architecture, and a brand new AI desktop ecosystem will completely change your mind. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you will know exactly why the standard mobile landscape is about to be completely rewritten. Let's start with the immediate visual shock factor, the display. For years, heavy users have had a massive love-hate relationship with the display notch on the Ultra series. Samsung is finally ending that compromise. The Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra is officially dropping the notch in favor of a revolutionary under-display camera 2.0 system. This means you are getting an entirely uninterrupted, seamless 14.6-inch canvas of pure screen. But they didn't just stop at removing the notch. The panel itself is moving to a cutting-edge Tandem OLED infrastructure. By layering two organic light-emitting diode displays together, Samsung is pushing the peak brightness to a staggering 3000 nits. To put that into perspective, that is almost double the brightness of last year's Tab S11 Ultra. Whether you are a digital illustrator working under direct sunlight or a creative color grading HDR video in a bright studio, this panel offers absolute color precision without washing out. Combined with an advanced anti-reflective layer, it feels less like looking at a glass screen and more like looking at a matte paper canvas. That gorgeous display requires an equally radical structural chassis to protect it. Moving away from standard armor aluminum, Samsung is taking a page out of its premium smartphone playbook and introducing a Grade 5 titanium frame. This structural shift drastically improves drop protection and rigidity while allowing the engineers to shave the chassis down to an impossibly thin profile. Titanium also solves the historical problem of thermal throttling in ultra-thin devices. Because titanium distributes heat far more evenly across the surface area of the tablet, the internal components can run at peak clock speeds for significantly longer stretches without making the back of the device uncomfortable to hold. Speaking of internal components, what is happening under the hood of the Tab S12 Ultra is bordering on absolute overkill. Samsung is breaking records by powering this machine with the unreleased Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2 chipset, built on a highly refined 3nm node. This processor features custom Oryon CPU cores specifically optimized for sustained, high-bandwidth workloads. If you think that sounds impressive, the memory configurations will truly blow your mind. The top-tier consumer variant is benchmarked to include up to 24 GB of LPDDR6 RAM. Why on earth does a tablet need 24 GB of RAM? The answer lies in local execution. This massive memory pool allows the device to run complex, large language AI models entirely on-device, completely independent of a cloud connection or internet lag. This brings us to the software paradigm shift that will make power users ditch their laptops entirely, Neural DeX. For years, Samsung DeX has been a fantastic novelty, but it always felt like Android disguised as a desktop. Neural DeX completely changes the game by using a dedicated, high-power neural processing unit to dynamically adapt the OS environment based on your current workload. Imagine launching a desktop-grade code editor or an uncompressed multi-layer video timeline. Neural DeX doesn't just resize the windows, it completely reallocates system resources in real time, allowing you to run full desktop virtualization pipelines, local developer environments, and massive databases side by side without a single hitch. It turns your tablet from a media consumption machine into a hyper-efficient mobile workstation. For the creative community, the interaction with this hardware is getting a total overhaul via the new S Pen Pro 3. This isn't just a plastic stylus anymore. The S Pen Pro 3 features advanced haptic feedback micro-actuators built directly into the core of the pen. When you draw or write across the Tandem OLED glass, the pen transmits tiny, localized vibrations to your fingertips, perfectly mimicking the tactile resistance of different physical surfaces. If you choose a charcoal tool in your illustration app, the pen genuinely feels like it is dragging across textured sketch paper. Switch to a technical fountain pen, and it mimics the smooth, fluid glide of ink on vellum. Naturally, driving a high-performance chipset, a 3000 nit display, and a massive on-device AI ecosystem requires a serious amount of power. Samsung is packing a colossal 11,600 mAh battery into this razor-thin titanium frame. Thanks to the efficiency of the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2, this battery is targeted to deliver up to 16 hours of continuous, intensive web workflows and rendering. Even better, the charging speeds are finally breaking out of the old 45-watt limitation. The Tab S12 Ultra introduces an internal dual-cell battery architecture that supports 80-watt ultra-fast wired charging. You can now plug this massive machine in and go from a completely dead battery to a 50% charge in just 20 minutes flat. That completely changes the dynamic for digital nomads, business travelers, and students who can't afford to be tethered to a wall outlet for hours. Let's talk about the final critical pieces of the puzzle: pricing, availability, and global launch expectations. Given the transition to a premium grade 5 titanium build, the expensive Tandem OLED display technology, and the massive upgrade to 24GB of RAM, Samsung is positioning this as an unapologetic, ultra-premium flagship. Supply chain indicators point to a starting price of $1,299 for the base model, moving up significantly for the higher-tier storage variants. We expect Samsung to officially lift the curtain on the Tab S12 Ultra during their late summer Galaxy Unpacked keynote, with an official market release slated for around September 2026. The tablet market has been comfortable for far too long, with minor iterative upgrades filling the gaps every year. But with the Tab S12 Ultra, Samsung is throwing down a massive gauntlet to the entire industry. It is a clear statement that the era of carrying both a heavy laptop and a supplementary tablet is officially coming to a close. If you want to stay ahead of the curve on the absolute cutting edge of personal computing, make sure to hit that subscribe button, smash the like button, and turn on notifications. This is TechVibe, keeping you locked into the future of technology. Drop a comment below letting us know if you think 24GB of RAM on a tablet is absolute genius or complete overkill. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the very next deep dive.